Today I am going to be making a basketball game in code.org. So let's get started. We'll first name it my basketball game. And you click on save. When you click run, this button over here, you'll put set player to any hand. Like there's hockey stick, there's a soccer foot, and there are 3 different hand colors. So I'm gonna leave it at this. Then I'll set the basketball ball. I'll set it in the basketball scene. I'll set the player speed to fast when I've put the other blocks. Then I'm going to put the ball speed to fast. Since there's an option of very fast, I'm going to do very fast for player speed and fast for ball speed. And we'll throw a new ball, otherwise the ball will not come out. This is how it will come. You'll wait for the ball to not even come. So we'll put the throw new ball. And when you click on the left arrow key, which is this or this, or you can use it on your laptop or computer. So we're gonna put move left when the left arrow is clicked, move right when right arrow is clicked, when ball hits player. So there. So if it hits the player, it will have to bounce. Otherwise you saw what happened. Yep, that's how it's gonna do. And then when it will play a sound called bounce sound. There are other sounds like cheering, whistle, net swish, slap shot, kick. So I'm gonna leave it on bounce. And also same thing when you're doing the bounce ball, play bounce sound for when the ball hits the wall. When the ball is in the goal, which is this over there, so we will score a point. It will play a sound, but now it will not be bounce. It will have to be net swish. And then when the ball misses the player, it will do same thing, but now you can see this block over here, score opponent point, and you will throw a new ball when the ball is in the goal, and when the ball misses the player, you'll play the next sound, throw new ball. Okay, so that's the end of the coding. Let's see the final result. So we click on run. Okay, then I missed that. Okay, so that's how it looks when you miss it. There must be something wrong. Okay, so I scored a point. That's how it looks when it hits on the wall, and this is how it looks when I miss it. There, it's thrown another ball. So guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit the post notification bell, subscribe, like, share, and comment